Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning about the linear and mirror patterns. So download these two files from the description and see if you can solve this on your own. And once you are done, you can come back and watch this video to see how to solve it. To complete this exercise, first you are going to open this part. Then once you open it, the first exercise is asking you to create a linear pattern of this cut. So to do that, we'll select under linear pattern, select linear pattern. Then for the direction, we can select any of this edge pointing down because our pattern is going to be going down. So on this edge, I'll just click that edge. So you can see the arrow pointing down. And the dimension is given here. It says it's 0.2. So we'll change this to 0.2. And the number of feature is going to be 3. So it says here 3 grooves. So we'll leave this at 3. Then we'll come down to features and face. Then we want to select that feature. It is this revolve cut. So I'll select that revolve cut. So let me zoom in so you can see the preview. Just to see the preview, you can select the partial preview here. So we have our preview and everything looks right. We'll click OK. So that is how we create the first one. For the second one, they want us to mirror this feature to this side. To do that, we will find a plane that is in the middle of this part. So if I hover over this, we have the front plane. So that's the plane we are going to be mirroring this by. So let's select mirror. We will select our front plane. So you can click on this drop down over here. Select your front plane. For features to mirror, we want to select the circular boss and the cut. Then once we select those two, we'll see the preview. Everything looks good and we'll click OK. And that is how you create the second feature. For the third feature, they want us to create a mirror of the body. So we'll select mirror. For the mirror face, we'll select this face. And they want us to create a body mirror. So instead of the feature, come down to bodies to mirror. Select that drop down. And for the body, you just select this part. And the preview looks good and click OK. And the last step is just to save this part. So you'll click save and close the part. And this is how you solve this exercise. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.